Welcome back to Cheat Day. I'm Tiera Lovelle.
I'm Kayla.
And we are trying dip donuts, okay? They look so good. And we got 6 different flavors.
So we have apple fritter, London fog, raspberry almond, which is also vegan, lemon pistachio, carrot cake, and Oreo chocolate.
And she said I look like a hooker.
Like the old hookers who like.
I'm Miss Kitty, bitch. Miss Kitty, bitch. Miss Kitty, bitch. I'm actually gonna take this off because it's really fucking hot.
I was gonna say.
Dying.
Warm.
Okay.
Actually, normal for.
Oh, they're matching. What?
For 15 seconds.
What?
Look at that. We were like normal for 15 seconds.
We're normal?
Just like at the beginning ish.
Oh, I missed it. Not used to it. Okay, so I think we should start off. Should we start off with the I don't think we should start off with this one because we know it's gonna be real good. Yeah. But I'm debating if we should start off with the classic or should we wait? Like these should be like the second 2 last ones.
Let's do those.
Let's do vegan first.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try vegan.
Oh, do you have a knife?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we cheers?
Ooh, no, let's not cheers. Let's do the arm thing.
Oh, like the wedding. Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? That's really good.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Like your yeah.
I kind of like that. It's fruity. Kind of like it.
The first bite was okay. No, it wasn't okay. Sorry. As it's in your mouth long enough, the flavor changes. Oh my god! Get your mind out of the gutter.
Get your mind out of the gutter, Bobby.
Get your mind out of the gutter. Okay, yes. It changes like. It first tastes like soap.
I get that. I got it.
Yeah.
I kind of get that.
Yeah, the first taste tastes like soap. Like when you first bite it, and then you have to keep eating it, then it kind of tastes kind of fruity-ish, but like first tastes like soap. It's
kind of like it though.
It doesn't taste vegan. That's good. Sometimes I like vegan food and vegan pastries like all the time. I spend too much money on it, but it was a hit or miss sometimes with them.
Like, is they really good, or it tastes kind of like cardboard?
Yeah, this dry, flavorless, not good. Okay.
But this is good.
Okay, almost done. Let's put here. Finish it later.
Cut the next one. Let's go.
Okay, do you want to do London fog or Oreo? Oreo? Okay.
Too sweet for me.
It's like fine or whatever. It's very sugary. Like this tastes like sugar. It's pretty for if you want to take a cute photo of a donut.
Yeah, the presentation's really nice, but
flavor-wise,
it's too sweet for me.
Flavor-wise, just tastes like sugar on top of a donut.
Yeah.
The dough of the donut isn't too bad at least. It doesn't just taste like bread. That's one thing about donut places I hate is when the donut tastes like bread, and then with sugar on top.
Yeah.
This does taste a bit like, you know, it's not too thick.
Yeah, that's fine.
But definitely it's kind of sugary.
Okay. Not my cup of tea, but it's cute.
I would say that's like a. I'll just put it there for now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because I need the plate.
That's your one. I would say it's like a 4.
I'd give it like a. I'd give it a 5.
I'd give this one a 5.
I give that one a 7.
Accurate then, because if you give that a 10, I give it maybe people will be like skewed and like that's complete 2 different taste buds, but it's like you could tell it's not like wow, but it's not like. I really want to try this one.
The London fog, yeah, I'm really excited. I tried the London fog at Dough.
Can you introduce it?
What?
The place?
You said dipped.
Okay.
You did say we're having dipped donuts. Oh, maybe they're gonna think that's just like a dipped donut.
To specify, these are dipped donuts in Toronto and Kensington Market.
Like the place is called
the
Dipped.
place is called Dipped.
Yeah, they're like a fresh bakery for donuts.
Yeah, London fog.
Are we cheersing? Or are we doing
Ooh, smell it.
Yeah, see, I like it. Are we
Smells
doing
good.
the thingy?
You want to do the thingy again?
Tastes floral.
It's soapy.
Anything fruity, I think, to you tastes soapy.
Just kind of like lavender and fruit. I mean, soap.
I was gonna say it tastes floral to me. Like there's lavender, rosemary.
I think that's why it tastes like soap to me.
Probably. But
Like it's still good. Like I would eat it.
I like this one.
Definitely has the soap taste at the beginning. Tastes kind of like lavender. But it's London fog, so it makes sense that it tastes like that. Rest taste. I definitely like this one better than that one.
I really like this one.
I think this is a 5 or a 6.
I'm gonna give this one like a 7.5.
I'll give this a 6. March to it. It did look really thick, but
It's good.
yeah. But clearly I liked it.
Well, yeah, you did because you finished it. Whereas I like put mine down because I'm getting
Are you getting both?
original.
I mean, I say original, meaning like
There's still that one.
I know, but I want to try the one of these. Yeah.
Oh, I think we should do that one last. Let's do the apple fritter.
Okay.
Now this for me, I love apple fritters.
Same. That's what I'm saying. Like that's like a like that's why I said original. Sorry, because like it's like a classic. A good apple fritter is so freaking like it's.
So this is being held to a different standard.
This will help tell you if you should
everything.
even bother going there.
Yeah.
Is if this apple fritter is good.
Yeah.
Like
Because I'm
apple
holding
fritters.
this, to a different standard. Like,
Especially they charge you more on apple fritters.
Yeah.
Apple fritters are no joke. Like you need a you can't mess up an apple
and
fritter.
it's pretty big. Like
Size of your face. Put it up. The size of your face.
Jesus.
Not mine. I have a big ass head.
Yeah. Donuts are cool, but like I really like apple fritters.
I like apple fritters that have apple pieces in it too. I don't know if it does. I can't tell. If is that an apple piece or is that dough?
Oh no, that's an apple piece.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna drop
they're
it.
doing okay. We've only looked at it.
How's it smell? Does it smell cinnamony?
Kinda.
Lightly.
Yeah, kind of.
Is it weird that we're sniffing?
No, we're gonna eat it. It's our food. You don't smell your food before you eat it?
Should we cut this or just rip it?
Cut it.
Just rip. Oh, cut it. Do you think it's?
Drop any piece of it and it actually tastes good, I'm gonna be mad.
Okay.
Tastes good.
It tastes good. Okay, grab it. Grab your end. We'll do it over this thing.
Okay.
Just.
Ready? I'm not gonna eat that part yet.
No.
Not yet. I want like a good piece. Ready?
Yeah. A lot of cinnamon.
Why are you laughing? What's funny? What's happening?
What's happening? What's up? So what's happening? What's up?
No joke.
I would say you can get better apple fritters other places. It was very underwhelming. Especially the size of it. Like, it was like most, you know how, never mind.
I think, oh, this is gonna be really hard. I think Tim Hortons has a better apple fritter.
Does it? I don't think I've tried Tim Hortons apple fritters. But to be fair, I don't eat too many junk. Like, I try what's not to. If I go to a better place for food.
Rather than like a chain or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I do. Well, a chain is like Krispy Kreme. I go to Krispy Kreme and their apple fritter is really good.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Yeah, Krispy Kreme's apple fritter is really good.
Like game changer.
Definitely, I would say if you guys were going, like the fact that we both love apple fritter and left the biggest pieces there.
Yeah.
Like it tastes like a lot of cinnamon though.
Yeah.
I didn't smell like it. I was like, oh, it's not much. And then you taste it. It's like a lot of cinnamon. I think they need to put some more apples in it. It's too fluffy. I think one thing with apple fritters, they're kind of creamy and soft and chewy. This is more bready. Most apple fritters are very, like, that's why they're usually flat. They're not usually puffy because it's so creamy and, like, dense that it tastes a lot better. So I think they have too bready and not, like, creamy and soft enough. Yeah. Would you say for people to get it?
I mean, it's kind of like it's a 3.
Like, I feel like they have other cute donuts there that you could have definitely tried over this. Like, we got it because it's an apple fritter, and we're like, you have to get an apple fritter.
But if you really like apple fritters, I would say that, I mean, try it, and you can be the judge of it. It kind of all depends. I'm not a huge fan of it. I don't think you're a huge fan of it.
No, and we both love apple. That's like, if we go to donut shop, our favorite thing is to get an apple fritter. And that's what we could have got, like, another donut, but instead we're like, let's try
the
apple fritter.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Not even.
Like, I would give this a 3.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Me as well.
Sorry.
I'm sad.
Me too. We were literally hyping up the damn thing, like, so much. Like, yo, we love some apple fritter. You're like, yo, when you have the apple and, like, it's like this. Like, we were hyping it up, and then we took a bite, and it was just like, well, we'll relive this situation right now.
That better not happen with that one. This, for me, I love apple fritters.
Same. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's like a that's why I said original. Sorry, because like it's like a classic. A good apple fritter is so freaking like it's.
So this is being held to a different standard.
This will tell you if you should even bother going there.
Yeah.
As if this apple fritter is good.
Yeah.
Like,
because I'm holding this to a different standard. Like.
So should we try? What should we try first? The next one. Sorry, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we should save that one. We're building it up. If it's underwhelming,
oh, to be so mad, like we did to this one. I'd be so disappointed if we build like the carrot cake one up and it tastes like. Oh, sorry.
Oh wow.
I thought I should. Okay, I'm ready. Cheers. Again, kind of soapy. Well, good.
I like it. My mom would love this. She loves
like
pistachio.
I like the lemon. It feels fresh. You would eat this in summer.
This flavor tastes familiar. Like something that tastes like it that I've tried before.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. It tastes familiar.
I don't know what, because I was chewing it, I was thinking that too. But, no, I would see this like on a summer day, say if you just wanted a donut and feel like it's light, even though they're all the freaking same. This feels light by the flavor.
I really like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. I also 7.
I give it like a 7.5. I like this one. That one's really nice. I'm gonna save a piece for my. No, I'm not.
I like how simple that one was. So you taste it, bam, good.
Yeah. What? I really like that. I'm really sad about this apple fritter.
I'm disappointed. Especially eat so much of it.
Yeah.
So this is the, lo and behold, the carrot cake. We've been waiting for this one. We amped it up. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint like the apple fritter did. It smells so good. Kayla has the better half. There's so much goo on there. I want to just like swipe my. Can I swipe my finger just in this middle?
No.
Can you take this middle?
No.
Look, mine's dry.
I offered it to you.
And then I said, "Are you sure you want it?"
You want, like, stop asking questions. When somebody offers you something, you lost your chance.
Can I just have a piece?
No, Tiera. Let's go. Are we doing it? Ew.
Okay. There's only some people you can be weird with. I think that's fine. Okay, yeah, so hopefully it tastes good.
Okay, ready? I like it.
It's definitely in the icing. The icing carries it. Like, the icing has all the flavor. My jaw's hurting.
You can swipe some.
Yay. I don't want to drop on the floor. Pull it. Thank you. Drop it on the floor.
Wow. Wait, this is why I don't want to do it. I like that one. It's good. Like, it's good.
The icing is really good.
It didn't disappoint. Might have built it up too much in my head. But it's good.
It wasn't like, oh my god, wow. I think because we made it so hype in our head that
it felt short. Because the other ones, like the London Fog and the London Fog and the pistachio, we didn't hype these ones up. Or the raspberry vegan one. And they actually turned out really well.
Yeah.
I actually liked them a lot.
I think because we had such high hopes for it, and we're just like, oh my god, this is the one. Like most men, we think, and then they all come and disappoint.
Facts.
All I do is spit facts. I got the receipts to prove it too. My stomach is expanding as we speak.
Oh, I stopped finishing mine because I was like, oh, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, she literally has
I'm taking them home.
a plate full. I kind of just want to eat the top. Less donut, more top.
She's a top, not a bottom. Hot tops and low bottoms. Hot tops, bottom of the barrel.
Like most of my exes.
Hot tops, enema of the state that I got from the read. Get it? Enema instead of enemy because an enema goes in your bubble. So like bottom.
Okay. On that note, we just finished everything.
Do you want this?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
You sure?
Yeah. Bite down!
I want to take a hold.
So guys, that's the end of the video. We tried Dip Donuts from Kensington Market here in Toronto. Definitely go try it out. They also have many other flavors that you guys can try. It might tickle your fancy. Yeah, if you do try it out, let us know. Also, let us know if it's mukbang or MUKBANG. MUKBANG.
Wow. Wow. You just went through so much.
I always do. So yeah, if you want to see Kayla again, let me know, and we can do some more videos with her. I would probably have other special guests around too. And if you have any other suggestions for restaurants, food, like if you have places in Toronto or other places I should visit, let me know. But if you have places here in the city in Toronto, let me know what you guys want to see me try out, or just food in general. Say like pizza, or like the sushi burrito. I'll eat that.
Ooh,
Have you ever had one?
No.
I did. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and let us know what else you want to watch. Bye, lovelies!